What's going on, YouTube? I'm back. I've been on a little bit of a hiatus. Had a couple of projects I've been working on, broke down car, all the fun stuff. So I'm back today. I'm gonna go ahead and pick a lock for you. Yeah, it's been a time. Car broke down on me and did not want to be fixed. So yeah, all the fun stuff. See if I can aim you up a little bit. We're playing with the camera angle again, so be patient. Yeah, I'll just keep it where it is. Alright, so today we're gonna pick one I got from BLP60. I got it from him in well, he sent me a bunch of locks with some for my giveaway, and so I'm gonna go ahead and pick this one. This one is from NeoSapien. There we are, NeoSapien, and it is false set. If I can get the camera to focus, there we are, false set. This one looks like it's a Wiser keyway. I was thinking Falcon, but works good. Well, there we are. And it's only turning left. So, we'll clamp this up, see what I can do. I haven't picked in a while. I've only been... Last time I picked was the last video I posted, other than a couple for work. And those are all easy. All the ones for work are these American 5200s. I actually got about 12 of them now that I need to get rid of them. I've got a whole shelf of American locks, especially the 5200s. I've got more of them than I have it in my collection. So if anybody's looking to get some for a collection, let me know. I have plenty that I can trade off, or you know, whatever. But let's see what we can do with NeoSapien's lock today. See if I can keep the chair from hitting the camera stand. Alright. We're gonna go left with it. That's the only way the key works. That feels like number 3. I want thinner, or shorter, not thinner. Alright. Got some counter on number 2. One feels set. Got a nice false set just off of touching a few. Number 1's giving good feedback. Number 3 feels set. 4 and 5. Alright. Looks like I do need that deep hook again. There we are. That was number 3. Look around in here a little bit more. I have got no feedback whatsoever from this lock. think one of them is either overset or number 2 is not plain fair. Alright, that was a good click from 4, and then a good deep false set. Got some counter on 1. Number 2 feels good. Number 3 I'll have to get with a deeper hook. See, number 5 feels good. 4 feels good. Actually, I'm starting to think this is a 6-pin lock. Alright, got a click. Oh, there we are. There's the rest of that one. Oh, look at that deep false set. I gotta be stuck on a T-pin at this point. There it is. Knew it was a T-pin. With that deep of a false set, you know it's gotta be a T-pin. Alright, so we're gonna set that down. Yeah, I know, behind the vise, out of the camera view, but never did leave the front of the camera. So I still count it as a pick. Alright, let's see. Pinning tray. I still need my pick. I haven't gotten any of the fancy tools to take these caps off yet. Alright, let's see here. Alright, let's pull this apart. Oh, nice, the spring came up with it. And I need a shim. I don't like that shim. Where are my others? Here we are. Gotta grab another pinning tray. Someone's really gonna hate the lock that this is all for. I'm making one of my 5200s into a challenge lock, and someone is gonna get that lock and they're gonna hate life. Alright. Yep, he's got T-pins in there because he filled the construction keyholes in it. And yep, there you go. You can kind of see it there. I don't know what he used, but he filled them with something. And there's the key. And let's see. And all the key pins are in and working. And it is only a 5-pinner. I don't know. Yeah. Thought it was a 6 for a second, but just wasn't counting my pins right, I guess. Got a little rusty. Very nice pins. And let's see if I can reach my flashlight. Got some undercuts on 1, 2, and 3. Yep, you can tell there's a T-pin in there. It's got the nice little nicks in the cylinders. So, let's see. Oh, there's my good pinning tweezers. Number 1 is a very nice spool. With, I believe, a copper spring. Yeah, the first 3 should be spools. Yeah, there's another spool. Looks like it's got a serration in the middle of it. With another copper spring. And a shim that's going to be getting in the way here in a second. And let's see what number 3's got for us. That looks almost like a GG pen. With another copper spring. Oh, and there's that T-pin. Wasn't quite sure if that was a pin and pin. Here we are. Get back over here. Tweezers are too big for these small pins. It looks like a wedding cake in number 4. Alright, and it's always nice to have a set of tweezers laying around that don't have as much of a curve to them as what the actual pinning tweezers are. And flashlight, there it is. And it looks like, can't tell if that's countermilling or if that's from the factory. Best way to find out, let's stick a pick down in there. Yeah, that is countermilling on 3, what is it, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, there's the front. Yeah, 3, 4, and 5 have countermilling in the Bible. I haven't seen that one before, so set that off to the side, and we'll bring the pinning tray up to the camera. So, let's see. There we are. Number 1 is a T-pin key pin spool on top. 2 is a either wide serration or small spool with a almost another GG style pin up top. It's a step spool in the center. 3 is a spool with a serration on the bottom with a, I keep calling them GG pins because that's the only place I've seen those. But looks like a wide serration and then a narrow serration on it. 4 is a T-pin key pin with a serration and a wedding cake. Sorry guys, you're gonna have to pardon me. I can almost not see them. Number 5 is a serrated key pin with a T-pin on top. And let's see if we can do a side view. There we are. Hopefully this is coming out good. Most of the time I kind of upload these videos without actually watching them first myself. So sometimes they come out good and sometimes they don't, and I'm like, well, why did I upload that? But I'm working my way through the rest of the locks that Bronx BLP60 sent me. Man, I appreciate it. You got my time filled up for a little bit. Also, I'm always looking for trades. As I say in all my videos, check out my Discord. The link's going to be down in the description below. If he hasn't put out a whole lot of videos that I have seen, but who knows, I may have lost my subscription to him somehow. But if you haven't seen this guy, NeoSapien, go and check out his channel. He's an awesome picker. If you haven't seen Bronx Lockpicker before, go check out his channel. Don't know why you're checking mine out if you haven't seen his yet. Other than that, hit me up in the Discord. It's going to be in the description down below. Come by, say hi. I'm getting ready to put up a couple of locks on there, up for grabs. Yeah, they're only going to be the American 5200s. Maybe a couple pack locks. I just got a couple more pack locks. I got two different styles of them. The old, like, master lock body, square body. But I'm going to be putting those up on there, either trades or whatnot. There's a whole classified section you can go in and check out locks that people have up for grabs or up for trade or whatever. Work out trades with people you don't know. Easy way to get a hold of people and be like, hey, I like that lock, what are you looking for? It's still a small channel. Hopefully it grows. Help out the community, but until next time, check me out. Discord's going to be down below. Check out Bronx, check out Neo. Give them your support, and I will catch you another time. Peace.